weed a reach? You know far some of weed a reach? But me I tell you, and me is one of them girls, but I can't tell you say me and she now. I was one of those girls who find one man who a complete zero and say, here what? We're gonna go up that ladder there. All you have to do is step up behind me. And no matter how I turn around and say, take your next step. It come like say some of them man ya, to all them not have no sense. Or a girl them want to just do everything and spoon feed them. Me tell you how to take step 1, step 2, step 3. And me there step 9 and wait for you for me and you go for step 10 and step 11. And you want me turn back every minute and say come step 4. Step enough is enough. Cause we now can't do it. On a stagnant. On no want not no. On no want girl spoon feed no. And I one thing me know. Any man was sit down and depend on girl all of their life. We make man fuck them at one point. Cause when every girl come round and she say you don't want nothing out of life. All you want to do is drain me. You want everything. You want me to do everything like I'm here your blood clot boyfriend. You know what got me to know? Every girl I go find you out till you know I go turn to man and man start fucking up for things. Man up. Jelly back boy. Man up. Go look at work. If I fuck you love fuck, go sell fuck. You have to do anything where you do proud. So you see if you say you's a fuckist, walk and tell the girl them say listen to me. Me can't walk and fuck for free. Cause you say me cocky nice and big. So you have to go pay for the fuck ya. Something have to happen, but you can't carry yourself for a woman back. You a cross? Are you a cross? Me are you Jesus? Are you a cross? Me's nobody Jesus. So me no want a blood clot cross. Cause some of we women carry them boy up our back like we a cross. My girl is a hey. Any friend you have in that area, we tell us say boy me have to help him. And you know what you ask so the boy not give her not no. Just ask her say my girl use a cross. Why you carry a cross? You is Jesus. Why you want to carry a cross? Well me not carry no cross. Can you see if me I want Jesus? You have to go be Jesus beside me. Me have no problem helping a trying youth. But in a real life, no fun no one try. Me hate one unambitious man. Uno a burden. Uno stagnant. There is no way a girl come at your foot. When never did have to help you. When never did have to make you look good. When never did blood clot have to do nothing at all. And she carry you to point A and point B. And you know what, God see look how much blood clot letters in the alphabet. You're not, the woman reach an element of P and you still don't see. What are you? You're stagnant. You are zero. You're not no ambition. You're not no morals. You not have nothing. And all you sit down and do I want drain girl energy. No woman at all no fi sit down. And I wonder what my man gonna eat today. And your blood clot of balls and cocky. As a woman, you know what me think? When a woman find a man, I tell you that my friend this what you hear. And me and him have a big debate about it. Him turn to me and him say, Kay, the world where you live in are not real. Because the things them what you want for happen, now go happen. And the conversation base, Crystal may come. The conversation base of what man want and what woman want. And we not do life the right way or life is life in. Yes, when you meet a man, Jamaican people, me only can talk about our people. We not do dating no more where you get to know the person. Get to know the person is 24 hours on the phone and you go fuck them the next day. I just the truth. Get to know the person. Maybe you see me in one party, you like him vibes, you go fuck him, and then maybe you continue after the fuck. But everybody have to pass the fuck before them can start texting serious. I just the truth, whether we want to believe it or not. But me tell you something now. You see after you pass the fuck, This is the first question you have to ask. What do you want from me? You hear me tell you? What do you want from me? Some of them are going to play the game. I say, no, some of them don't want nothing, just like you. Okay, you don't want nothing. Well, I'm going to tell you what I want. If you're single, this is my thing to them out there, because me single. Me is a single woman with 2 pitney. I have to send my daughter to college, and from time to time, my son can come home at any time, because I don't know how the world set up. If someone want from you, I respect. I not pay no bills. You not come on me, I'm pay no bills by myself. I believe in you supporting me and me supporting you. I not have no money for support you, but me have mental space to support you. You cannot fuck me, you're not going to ever hear me name out the road to me and fuck 2 and 3 man. And that's the biggest respect you could have get from a woman right now. I want to set up with life in a way where if me dip on my face, you can back me. And if you dip on your face, me can back you. If you come home one day and say, baby, you know some want 500,000 for put towards this, you me supposed to can't find it. Because we made plan together what we are going to save and do this. And this is the part where when you start to reach personal relationship. Once you reach into the personal relationship part, you have to find out how are we going to survive. If you can't answer none of them questions that me ask you, pussy take a fuck and go on. If you fuck already, take the fuck and go on. It was a good night, dick did nice, pussy get to come and we're done. Leave me the fuck alone. No boy can't come beg me nothing without giving me nothing. Because guess what? Me confident in myself to know what me can bring to the table. So but me don't know what you can bring to the table. I'm going to tell you, woman, what feel like you ever meet a man and joke out him, you're not say it go girl. And I like one time, every boy wants somebody who can help them too. He maybe not want your money, but he need your brain. He need your support. Back then, in my last relationship, me used to ning and why you did them? I now ask you why you did them. You say if you go sleep out of your business that. I know what time it is. Because I go tell them something here. You see, anytime you start sleep out, you go see me sleep out back. Or if I not have nowhere to sleep. So in any relationship I'm going on right now, I match energy. Anything I see you do, me I go do back. The only thing I can tell is a man can't stress me out for do. You can't make me go give him my pussy. Unless me want to go give it to him. You can't force me to go fuck like how you fuck. First of all, let me look into it. Once I start fuck, my mentally start telling myself, say, well, me can't please her, so better I go on. I now go say, me stop say this. A girl them pussy free. And that's why girl out the pussy free for sure. But that no means that you're cocky for free too. If you go fuck for me, I'm supposed to not know. So try your best to not make me know. But once me know, that means me is not enough. A whole heap of boy you fuck and nobody no know. Any blood clot girl where you fuck out the road, you're supposed to tell her, say, the moment you make my woman find out this, you can't chat back to me. Because when you don't know what hurt you. What you don't know cannot hurt you. One next thing. I be a disease out here. And you sit down and not act like say this is not true. Some disease out here we don't have no name. No matter how much time you got doctor, your pussy still a stink. No matter how much time you got doctor, your pussy still a run. When you have disease till your belly start cramping and hurt every minute, infection get built up in your crotches. And these type of bacteria were out here past somehow. It's not even your fault because you die you not fuck nobody. And your man out the road a fuck Tom, Dick and Harry a blood clot Batman them a fuck too. You never know what these niggas will do. This is real we live in a wake the fuck up. If you can't send me one childhood story boy, your pussy no look me. Me want go in your community, come here what the people them say about you. Me no want a boy come look me when I work now, but you have on the most expensive shoes. You always have on drink, you don't work anywhere, you're not scam, you're not. Where you get money from? You're not scam. You're not work. Where you get money from? Me not even want a boy who make a girl mind him. Cause you got to, you want me mind you too. If you can't show me a hustle, me don't want you. Cause in my head you's a body blood clot boy. Oh, where you get secret money from? What make everything what drop your habit on? And you don't have nothing? My dear. Two things. Either a boy of mine, you know, or is a girl of mine, you know. And you see any one of them settings there, enough for me. Me will give my man anything. Me will plan a nice birthday. Me will give him surprise. But me will never, ever do what me not get.